In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Tradingview chart not working. If your chart looks frozen, won't load, or isn't updating in real time, start with some quick fixes in your browser or the Tradingview app. First, refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl+R. On a Mac, press Command+R. If that doesn't help, fully close and restart your browser or the Tradingview desktop app. A fresh start clears temporary hiccups that can block charts from rendering. Next, clear your cache. In a browser, clear the browser's cache. If you're in the Tradingview desktop app, open Settings, go to the Service tab, and choose Clear Cache. Cached files can become outdated and conflict with real-time data, so this step often brings charts back immediately. If things are still sluggish, close other tabs and temporarily disable browser extensions. Heavy tabs and certain extensions can interfere with scripts Tradingview uses to draw charts smoothly. You can re-enable them after testing. Then, try another browser. Switching from your current browser to a different one is a quick way to isolate whether the issue is browser-specific. If it works elsewhere, you'll know the problem is local rather than with Tradingview itself. Also take a moment to check for outages. Sometimes Tradingview or specific data feeds experience downtime. If others are reporting issues, you'll know to wait rather than keep troubleshooting your setup. Now let's look at chart-specific fixes. Confirm your chart interval. For real-time price movement, make sure you're on a lower time frame like seconds or minutes, not days or months. A higher interval can make it seem like nothing is moving when the chart is actually waiting for the next candle. If the chart looks off-center or you can't find price, reset the scale. On the right side price scale, click the A button, which fits data to the screen and recenters the view instantly. If you've tweaked a lot of settings and something's stuck, reset the chart to defaults. In the desktop app, open Settings, go to the Service tab, and select Back to Defaults. This returns chart behavior to a known good state without you hunting through individual options. If your data is delayed common with certain exchanges like NSE, click the D icon on the chart and complete the exchange agreement to enable live data. Without that agreement, you'll keep seeing delayed quotes. For Android users, update Android System WebView and your default browser, such as Chrome, to ensure the embedded chart engine is current. Finally, fully close and reopen the Tradingview app to refresh its session. Follow these steps in order, and your Tradingview chart should be back to normal.